Hello guys, you're welcome to the Love Hairs Beauty channel. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to make a love shape cornrow. How to cornrow a love design or love pattern, whatever way. So this is what this video is going to be all about. So first of all, I started by bringing out section, cutting out the section I'm going to cornrow. So before I start cornrowing, I will first of all bring out the love shape, the love pattern. This is what you are going to do. You cut by the side, you come to the middle, as you can see in the video. You cut a V shape, a V shape, a small V shape. That's to create that love sign. You come to the side, cut it out. As you can see, I already have my love shape. You apply your edge control, come to the middle, divide the middle into two parts. Then you cut out another V shape. Now this particular V shape you are going to cut is going to be a little bit big, as you can see in the video, and that's where you're going to start your braiding. That is where you are going to start your braiding, so the love shape is going to show. So before you start, you have to start like you do your normal cornrow. Don't add your attachment or extension attachment yet. You have to cornrow the hair first. Cornrow the hair like you are doing your normal cornrow. Before you start adding extension. So when you add your extension, you braid. Now the hair on the, you leave the extension on the top. Now you add it under like you are doing your normal feeding braid. So you are going to use the feeding braid pattern. You add your extension, you braid, leaving out the attachment on the top. This is how you're going to be doing it. So you're not trying to create a Ghana cornrow, you're just trying to make a design. So you keep on adding your attachments. So when you reach that particular place you are going to curve, all you have to do, you add extra attachments. Reason, so that place is going to go down, because if you don't add attachment there, that place is going to go up. I don't know if you understand. So add attachment like you add in your normal feeding braid. I mean that place that have a love curve. So we are done making the first one. Let's make the second one. Remember, you start by doing your normal cornrow. Don't add extension yet. The reason is just to create that pencil, a pencil look. Now you start adding your extension. Add your extension like you are doing a normal feeding braid. If you look closely and the braiding, if you look closely, you're going to see that the love shape is creating already. Yeah, so if you follow this pattern, you are going to get it. Very simple. All you have to do is just keep practicing, okay? It's not going to be easy, but when you learn it, it's going to be simple. Now don't forget to add extension, that place that is going to create a love loop, the curve. As you can see, I added extension in mine. Add extension before you curve. Remember to add pressure when braiding. So I'm braiding gently so I can grab all the hairs. I'm doing this tutorial with a full lace. I'm doing this tutorial with a full lace net. So I have to braid gently so as to add pressure and grab all the hairs and create a very neat and tight cornrow. Guys, I'm done making the love shape cornrow. As you can see, you can also decide to cut out some hairs from downwards according to how you want it. This place the arrow sign is. So my lovers, this is how it looks after I'm done making the love shape. Mine is big, so you can cut your own smaller, any size you want. You can just cut it according to how big you want it to be, okay? Because this my own is big. So guys, the video you just watched is how to make a love shape cornrow. As you can see, like this video, share, please share, and drop a comment in the comment section. See you guys in my next video.